Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x80242008, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot and click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset all the Windows Update components. Now, why are we resetting Windows Update components? Why aren't we trying a lighter fix? The reason is that the main problem is that the Windows Update related services are inconsistent, and in many cases, even if I turn them on, if the cache and software distribution folder and cat2 folder are corrupt, it will cause problems. So why get into finding the cause? Just use the option for reset Windows Update components. Now I have a script for you. I'll share the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. It will start running all of it. I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the contents or it will delete the profile for Windows updates. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services. So it's an excellent fix. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.